Earlier this week, Davey Ramsey was on Fox telling the whole world that if you need a stimulus check, then you're screwed and you're stupid. Basically, I'm here to tell you otherwise. Let's get into the intro. What's good, people? Cecil Betty here, aka Mr. Catwoman, and welcome to Cat's Meow Budget Solutions. Today's video, we're going to talk about 3 things that you can do with your stimulus checks. Let's get into it. The first thing that you should do, take care of your 4 walls first. What I mean by the 4 walls is basically food and shelter. That's pretty much it. And the necessities like gas and light and water and stuff like that, just to make sure that you're able to take a bath, wash your clothes, just keep a normal and clean, healthy lifestyle with this money. The next thing you should do is take care of transportation. Assuming that you have a car, make sure you have your car full of gas. If your car is on the verge of a possible repo, make sure that it does not get repoed. If you don't have a car, make sure just to put some money aside for bus fares, Uber, Lyft, or anything like that. Because with transportation, you'll be able to get ahead to get where you need to go. So with transportation, you could go out and find a job or possibly go to school to help you get ahead. That's the whole point of a stimulus check. Lastly, invest in yourself. What I mean by invest in yourself, like you could check out the local community colleges, look for work certifications that are really quick and easy to get, and those jobs are usually in high demand. Anything in logistics. I'm personally a truck driver. Truck drivers are always being hired. Warehousing, people are always being hired. They need forklift operators and stuff like that. Also, you might be able to look for a couple of courses that are 3 to 4 weeks long to help you get ahead. Maybe possibly some accounting certifications in that time frame, or even something to do with nursing or clerical work that will help you get a job, because that's the whole entire point of the stimulus package, is to help get ahead, not help you go back. And lastly, I want to end with this. Dave Ramsey pretty much said that you are screwed if you need this money, and that you're stupid because you need this money. I'm here to tell you guys, basically, this is it. You're not screwed, and you're not stupid. You just need guidance. And apparently Mr. Ramsey is out there telling people all this. So I'm going to assume that he's not willing to help people like you who needs the help. If you guys need help, you know what? Go ahead and hit me up. Hit me up on Twitter. You could even email me questions at catsmeowbudgetsolutions.com. I'm just here to let you guys know there is help. You're not stupid. You can get through this with the help of the stimulus check. So thanks for listening and have a great day.